makes for a slippery floor and makes for slippery picks. Criss, I don't even know what to say to that, but have you got any final words? I just want to say, from my heart, thank you to Clearwater Beach. All of you have been just an amazing, wonderful group of people. I love you all. And to my family, mom, my brothers, Cupcake, everybody, thank you so much. I sincerely love you and believe. Now, I just want to confirm that we are safe to continue. Okay, Criss. Are you ready? Criss has one handcuff off so far. He's already mentioned the humidity and the rain. The other big issue will be the handcuffs and the first lock on the first door, because that's been exposed to the elements. I've just heard that the helicopter is now coming into a safe position, so it's hovering over that building. That's 40 seconds gone already, Criss. Nearly a minute gone. He seems to be having a problem with the door on the balcony. The setup, I can honestly say this has not happened. He's sitting in one of the grasses as you can speak. There must have been some problem with the door. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Criss hoped to be on the roof within 2.5 minutes. So he's way behind. Come on, Criss! 2 minutes and 30 seconds gone, Criss. Remember, he has to have 30 seconds on top of that roof and be away before the helicopter will leave. We now see the multi-screen. At no point is there an uninterrupted view of Criss. Criss is the only person left in that building. All these cameras are unmanned. You can see in the center of your screen the helicopter. That's his mother, Dimitra. Now Criss wanted to be on the roof with plenty of time to spare. The final door has 2 locks on it, the latch to the ceiling. Just running up that final set of stairs, okay, he's at the final latch, but this one has 2 locks on it. One minute 30, Criss. The helicopter must take off with 30 seconds left, whatever happens. This is to ensure that the helicopter is a safe distance away from the implosion. I have to say that Criss was hoping to be on top of that roof 20, 30 seconds ago. There seems to be some kind of problem with the lock. I know this is television, but this is a live event. This is very frightening now. 40 seconds left, Criss. 40 seconds. There seems to be a problem with the second lock. Okay, he should already be... Okay, 30 seconds. The helicopter should now... 24 seconds. Criss should have already been leaving the building at 30 seconds. 15 seconds. There seems to be a huge problem now. 8 seconds, Criss. The helicopter's had to leave. It was not rehearsed. happened is Criss... Okay, I've been told in my ear that they're looking for Criss. Obviously on our cameras he was still stuck inside. He had a problem with the first and final door. The helicopter had to leave. It needed 30 seconds to get away from the implosion. I've never heard 15,000 people being so quiet. In rehearsals, he very safely made it to the helicopter, but... Okay, Criss's family are now running over. I don't know quite where they're running to. There's obviously... The dust is starting to settle now. Nothing could have got out of there safely. Nothing. The helicopter that you can hear is the rescue helicopter that couldn't do anything for Criss and had to leave within the 30-second time limit. The family are just standing there looking for... I'm not sure what they're looking for.